What's popping, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see by the title, it's a maintenance for my vacation. Or I don't know if the maintenance and the vacation in the same vlog. We don't know. That's how we need. But let's start the vlog Tuesday morning at 6 a.m. I'm excited. Like I really was supposed to show you this yesterday, but when I come home, I have to head back out. I'm never coming back till late. But hold on, pause. Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Shanique. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also make sure that you hit the notification bell so you are updated when the videos go up. My name is Shan, Unapologetic, also known as Shanique. Yeah, and welcome to the channel. Start the vlog. Yes guys, as I was saying, I'm excited for showing what is happening now. So I'm putting it right here, so yeah, some phone it every. That's crazy. Yeah, now see me, my bed was predated early in the morning, but I'm really happy I had to come because I made a purchase. Like I make a content creator big girl purchases today. Yeah. So this is the last vlog, the last clip that will be on my phone. I got this little baby yesterday. Yeah. So it's the Canon EOS. Let me read. I don't know. The Canon M50 Mark II. That's what I got, and this is how it is looking. You know, you have the flip out screen and then the one at the front. You know, if you know, I'm not new to the camera business, but the last one gone. Yeah, things happen to it, and we're back in business and just in time for vacation. So you know the vlog. I got yeah. Yes. So with the camera, I got the lens. What many have? Many have the Sony ZV-F1. That's the one with the lens dip on it can't come off. But this one has removable lens. So if more I can change the lens with. I don't think I'm going to do because this one is pretty okay. I don't want it big. Coming out, I don't know. You know, I'm a photographer, but it's a create 1-2 video and take some pictures. But find this in my drawer because I really didn't get one with it. I mean, I say no, but I put this on it. I believe it came in one of my bags. I'm just never like it with the bag, so you know I can walk with it like that. I got 2 extra battery with it because there is one in the camera and then 2 extra battery and a charger and a USB. So that's that. So I got with it. Some of us come from me gonna know say. So I'm gonna set this up now. No. And then going forward in the vlog, this is what you're going to see because we're back in business. Oh, I also got a 128 gig memory card with it. So guys, scrum. The vlog is about to eat. Nyam. Anyways, I'm gonna finish get ready for work. Why I'm on internet and stacking cap, I don't know. But yeah, next thing we didn't want to know why all of this me is so much stress, like good stress, because I'm supposed to leave Friday, you know. We're gonna people in place, we're gonna party in Jamaica, I enjoy myself. But tell me why I close them don't reach. Tell me why I close them don't reach, and tell me why my ear don't reach. So, but that's gonna do my finger early, get that out of the way, and then pray set something reach, cause if you don't see me down on the North Coast naked, I don't want business. I don't have any clothes. None. Yeah, none. I'm going to shipping company there. The one thing reach and I want slippers. One day they get slippers and just know the dolly stress. The dolly is stress. Cause you know the ear of it. You know the ear of a good ear just at the day before so she can bleach and whatever and jump from my head. So I need the ear by Wednesday. But when I appreciate, gotta go work it towards and look at something them gonna show up and all of these things. Yeah, them gonna reach. Them gonna reach. Them gonna reach. Them gonna reach. God, now flop my show. Right? Right? Right. God, now flop my show. Now flop my show. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna finish get ready for work. Put on the wig and the perfume and all them lovely something there. And check the jar alright and get out of here. Yeah, that is it. We are going to do the damn thing. And last time I recorded from my phone. Last time. We move up in the leagues. We're on camera now. Like originally I wanted the DJI. A good thing I'm not spread my belly to come and kill him. I originally wanted the DJI Pocket 3, but you know, you have to take a little time and save. So make sure someone like and subscribe so that they can get the good thing then, right? Right. Yeah. So, may I finish get ready for work, probably kill this little boy and then move on with life, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Little boy, brush your teeth. What's popping, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. As you can see by the nails and the body hair, not one single maintenance one from the last talk. I don't do nothing. But I did do something exciting today, so I come home to sleep and wake up back to tell you about the good things there I collect. So I'm going to drop on the tripod stand now and I'm going to see the package and what in it. So big shout out for Temu for sponsoring this portion of the video. Yeah, so I'm going to just run up into the show, so I'll go on, yeah. Showing what go on in a little package. Alright, so this is the package. It actually came in 2 pieces. I ordered everything one time. So it's everything in this is for the little small vacation that we're about to take. So I'm gonna grab this little scissors. I'm gonna open it and sew where I'm going. Now the first item in the package. Oh, so these are the slippers. Maybe I don't want to look cheap slippers to wear and go where I go. So that should be this. Come let one cut the slippers. I'm not wear it yet. Alright, so this is the slippers that I got. Just one little plastic slippers. It's like your foot in a too shabby. So that's for the small package. Go over the big one now. I think it's supposed to this one, we can put it now. Look at this one. See the... Alright, so first things first, order one nail kit, nails and all. I'll attach everything that's in this. I'll attach the picture right here. Yeah, so this is a nail kit I'm order. Only thing we forget now I want lights. Use the lights. I'm good to go. Right, so I don't want next little slippers. Yeah. So I add the slippers here. Yeah. Yeah. Right. This now black dress. Black dinner dress. I'll attach it right here. I attach slippers right here, so two. This is one little black dinner dress. For the pictures, guys. Yeah. Look at this one box here. This is another box here. Thank you for your patronage. Okay. Okay, Temu. This is one of the bags that I'm excited about. Okay. Like what secure, like what? Little bit insecure. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Like what? So, see it? Chain, and it comes with a little chain inside, a little chain. Here, I weed this. Little vacation. Weed that. So, alright, so I'm going to order some jewelry. So I'm going to attach, you see the bag? we have to attach it. Somebody added them earring ears in a silver and then one here in a gold. You know, gold, go to gold bag. See the Shan? I attach the silver one here and then the gold one here. Just feel like the bag will be excited about. Ooh, now this gold bag. I want you to peep the details of this gold bag. Like, what? What? There you go, so. One button in there. Go so boops out. Oh, my shit. Car back. That's the bag. I'm gonna stop these in my store as well. Alright, so this now, I decided for where it go down. Attach this right here. Yeah. See it. Quality feel nice. Quality is feeling nice. Nice little cobweb shirt. One saw. And a shorts. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Material feel nice and thick. Go on with the stuff. Yes. Yes. So that. Then these are the bath suits. I remember the last time you package you get one pink shades. Oh, it come down. Oh, it come down. It's nice thick material. Oh, it come down. As I'm saying, guys, we look out for the picture of them. Picture of them are going, yum. This now on the brown dress. So I'm going to attach a picture of the bath suit here. Then that dress here, seat here. I don't know if you can see this, but look. See this? Everything in this smell like the acetone. So this are the side and the boy, excited look a trip. Big and excited. Big and excited. Ain't nobody, you know? Alright, so this now and the chain. It's supposed to come with other things. Supposed to come with earring. Let me look at the bag. So this now is this set that I have right here. It's a chain and an earring, silver. Go with my silver things. See the next set here now, gold. See gold, anklet, chain and earring. I don't know if you can see the earring. Let me take it. See the earring. This now to go with a gold bag. This now to go with a gold bag. Yeah. Alright, so buy this now to go with the bath suit. But it don't look like them match, but them are go wear them. And them are go match. This is the next slippers. See it there? Pink, for go with the pink bath suit. I have the white slippers, so when I push it, right? This now are the beach bag. Beach bag here, so with the slippers here, and the basket here. So go down with the go down. I'm gonna leave the best line. Did I look on it? Oh, I see the lick on over. Oh, it's belly plan. Shabai. Alright, this now. Oh, this is just one sneakers when I did drop. Can I see for $3? I'm gonna say, not a black sneakers, so I could just drop one black sneakers in my package. Yes, I'm gonna look at $3 sneakers there, you know. Can wear my nice gym shoes. Oh, it go down. Yeah. This are my little shoes. Yes. Alright. Bag to empty. Alright, so this now, need I say, when I put everything in the suitcase, another time I look go. Just me do my new working bag. So I say after the trip, I use a bag. So I bought this oversized tote, and it says tote bag. I'm gonna insert the picture of what it should look like right here. See it here. Yeah. A little oversized tote bag. See it there, and it's a tote bag, and it have the long strap, it have the short strap. So the look of freeness not in there now. Just a bag. So I wear that for the little tote bag, and then some little fandangles in a song. Oh no, so let me tell you. Alright, so this is the gold version of the silver earring. I'll put it right here, so this. Let me show you it. So I see there. Yeah. See there, yeah. I don't know why the back not dip on it, because the back drop down in it. Oh, see there. The gold and the silver, depending on what I decide to wear. But my two bag them gold, so you know it go. My two bag them gold, so you know it go. And then this now supposed to look like this, but it look a bit finer than what I expect, but that's okay. And now we wear the things them, and the things them we wear the things them look good. Yeah. So this is also a anklet. Not an anklet, a bracelet. Now, see there, lock it in so. There's a bracelet, and a chain. See it? With a shine and a dazzle. Yeah, it's supposed to look like that. So that's all for the packages. That's all for the packages now. I'm gonna try to see if we can do my nails tomorrow. If not, we'll go buy some press-on and call it a day. But yeah, that's for the night. I'm tired, you know? I'm tired. I'll go sleep. I pack up all of them now and go sleep. I swear to God. I'm tired. Bad. I don't know maintenance on a Friday. Today is Wednesday, by the way. A Friday we forgot. And the daddy don't maintain a thing on the wig. So I drop it from my head. Look at the wig. Nails don't know. But does I live? Me? Just I live. But again, thank you for Temu for sponsoring these packages. Remember, if you want a discount, you can click the link down below. And you'll see the video. You can still get 100% coupon. Also use this discount code here. Go inside to get the additional discount. Just do the right thing. One over Temu, I'm gonna do the right thing. Yeah. What's popping, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, welcome to the video. Because the video starts a hot minute now. I need you to look at my hair. Having Jesus braids on the road. So at the day before we go away and find one little wig, I said I go pick up now, I purchase it. I said I go pick up the little wig so I can go about my business. So that I go do. While me not after treatment, I say I can get one press on nails. That's the maintenance. That's the quick and easy maintenance that I'm doing today. So I run go get the wig. I actually tell my co-worker them say go into the machine. I run go pick up the wig. It's supposed to take long. Buy the nails and come back. I have an idea what to do. Because you see the nail kit what I get last night May I say I can buy the press-on nails, then I can put the clear topping over it so it's not that thin and easy for break. And then put it on my finger, and then for my toe, I can do that now. Because you know the girl know look something about doing nails and finger them something there. So the girl I go do that, and you know, I go look nice and clean on a little budget. Yeah. So I don't know, the video look like it's have a little length to it. Something. So we're gonna see where we're gonna edit it down today and see if we're gonna split it in two, or we're just gonna make one little vacation vlog. Know them weird there. Yeah. So I'm gonna put have a tree when we get the ear, check back in, because why don't I vlog and drive? Don't vlog and drive, guys. Don't be a Shan. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get back in with I'm gonna see up on the road at the Jesus bread, man on the business. Man on the business. Yeah. So the bad this come down. Just man in the business. But I mean, tell you, the patrol them in a Spanish Town Road, and Joe, we talked. Something needs to be done. Bye. Anyways, bye. What's popping, guys? Welcome back to the day. So we get the wig. Big up them. The wig company. Me and drive go back to work now. Me get this too. And me get one mousse, you know, for curl up the wig and so. Get one mousse. So we can go back to work now. Yeah. And rest my mind at ease, because Dolly is prepared. No, we're prepared. So me I go when me reach our work, the woman a let cross the lady with the baby and the man hold on him and like have some little compassion. Yeah, you're probably late for work, but why? I'm terrible on the road. I'm not terrible. But yeah, I'm just gonna check it out, you know. What's popping, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is 4:30 Friday, man. So the man I'm supposed to leave out, and everything is a mess. Like I got the nails done. Like I did them. I bought some press-ons. I don't even know them, but I'm gonna show them. So I bought some press-ons. I put them on. I lightly like one look up. You know, see me? Get some like like I just tip a little light coat of clear acrylic over it, and then I polish it so it's not so thin, you know, and then I cut them down. Oh Jesus, hold on. Alright, it's some light, so I lightly coat them. See, they're nothing so fancy, so the finger here glitter on them here like light nude. Yeah, so I just put them on, I'm gonna cut them down because them did well painted and I never want that. We want like a little nice classy girl look, so I'm gonna lightly coat them and put them on over my, yeah, you get the idea. You get the idea. So that's how we do for the nails. For the hair, I'm about to do it, but right now I'm taking the clothes them because you know the clothes them big, my body clothes them because my hips, they are big. My body clothes them bigger, and then taking the top of the clothes, all of them. So I take them in right now at 4:30 now, Friday morning, when we're supposed to leave. And then we wake up this morning and two babies are in here, and me know two love them. So I'm sure one of the biggest taking them off for the rest of them small and tiny. I'm kind of already do them, but that one kind of stress me. Is it big? It's supposed to be my clothes and my wear go down. Is it big? So this now, I forgot actually cut here, so, and then re-sew the sleeve back on, same thing over here, and then go down. So that is it. And then the shorts, the waist big. So me I kind of pack out. So these are the swimsuit outfit, and then after this, me I go do my ear, and then we are gonna end out the vlog. Okay, you know this are the get ready for vacation. I don't know if I'm gonna do a pack with me because I'm going to insert a clip. Is it done, yes, sir? Everything else is supposed to hold in this. I don't know how, but you're gonna become magicians. So everything else, yes, sir, supposed to hold in this. So I'm gonna probably do a pack with me. And just to be honest, this is the camera. I'm not figure it out yet. So we're still vlogging on the phone. But before I leave today, we're gonna figure it out. So this is the get ready with me to go on vacation. So this is the get ready with me to go. Make from 3 o'clock because I feel like I catch a cold. So I wake up and take some medication. I still feel stuffy a bit. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take in the shirt and oh God, take you to finish, you know, tidy up, make sure say everything on point, pack, and then I'll put on the ear and then I'll close out the vlog. So yeah, that way I do. Let's go. I feel like the whole vlog I did in the house. So getting ready as a home body vlog? Sure, why not? Left the place and yeah, so I'm taking the shirt and then circle on the ends. Zine. What's popping, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. But actually I installed the wig like I'm not going so bad. I'm not going so bad. So I cut this now and try and make the baby ear. I'm not going so bad. So I come back when the ear will install. What's popping, guys? Welcome. Let me get better lighting. Welcome to the end of the vlog. Now this is the hair. This is how the hair came out. Look asleep, go so, and then this is the outfit to wear go down. Chain Temu, hand chain Temu. No regular SM wear every day. I put on my watch and this how I'm showing. This is us looking like a bag of chips, y'all. So this vlog, then we're gonna start the vacation vlog in a minute. So we're gonna go long. Yeah, so this is me ending out this vlog. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because the next video at like a drops I go up happening, and then yeah, so that's just look for the vacation vlog. Vacation. When I fly out, we just still go there Jamaica, but it's still a go nyam. So this is us, and we are leaving. Remember to subscribe, like, share the video, share the friend them, and if you made it to the end of the video, remember, live, laugh, love, live good. Bye.
That's all, folks.